Vent latches are often found on single and double hung vinyl windows to allow for ventilation, while also preventing the window from opening completely. Today we'll show you how easy it is to replace your failed latch with just a putty knife and a pair of pliers. First, you'll need to break the existing vent latch by sliding your putty knife under the lip of the vent latch, then gripping it with pliers to pull it out. This process does damage the original latch, so you won't be able to reuse it once it's removed. Carefully compare the style and dimensions to determine the proper replacement latch. To install the new vent latch, simply snap it into place until the top and bottom tabs are engaged. For this part and more, visit us at Swissco.com.